We've noticed here at CAOS that no camp kit is complete without one of these tri-leg camp stools, especially if you're fishing or hiking. The CAOS tri-leg camp stool is compact, lightweight and easy to carry around. Starting off with our 19mm steel frame with crossover design and oversized feet, this provides superior strength and enhances stability, plus it's proven by our camp stool's impressive 100 kilo weight rating. The base of the stool is made with a strong 600D polyester cover, which is hard wearing, comfortable and easy to compact. So if you're the kind of person that needs a quick seat around the campfire, the CAOS tri-legged camp stool is the one for you. Go and check it out at caos.com.au or find a store local to you.